Welcome my dear students of class 5A and 5B to my GK class. Today's chapter is First in Films. Name of the chapter is First in Films. Unit 6, First in Films. Open at page number 54. Open at page 54. Now points, as I mentioned, types of films: art, feature, indigenous. What is art film? What is feature film? What is indigenous film? Bollywood, Tollywood and Hollywood films. So these are the films, I am going to teach you. Open at page 54 and be with me and follow me by teaching, and as per the lines mentioned in your book, I am going to clarify it. Before clarifying the lines of your book of page 54, I would like to give you some ideas as per the points mentioned in the book. First, types of films: art, feature, indigenous. There are different kinds of films. These films are known as art film, feature film and indigenous film. Now what is art film? Art film is a film whose story and characters, whose story is based on based on the ideas and problems of current days, and a reconciliation of two facts, the old and modern, and the characters of art film also are very moderate thinkers. They can think moderate. They can think with. They can think ideas. They can explain their thoughts, their ideas scientifically. Their knowledge is perfect knowledge. They can share their knowledge with others with illustrious examples, and people are benefited with their accompany because they are out and out complete men. And art film, these are characterized. Different types of characters are characters would become very much authentic, and art film sometimes it gets monotony, but the knowledge, the subject matter, the content of the film is very good, is very highly intellectual. That's why art films are sent to abroad for the recommendation of the juries of different countries of the world. In Moscow, in Moscow Film Festival, in Canada Film Festival of Russia, everywhere, the number of countries generally send their art films, and sometimes these are selected to be awarded, and different types of awards are given for quality films. So this is about art film. And next one, next one, feature film. What is feature film? In feature film, there is a complete story full of joys, sorrows. There are different types of characters. Some provides entertainments, comedy. At the same time, tragic incidents also are there, and this tragic incident sometimes creates sometimes create monotony, but once again the same thing means refreshers. Once again, joys creates problems. The problems which are created by the sorrows of different people of the world, sorrows for different situation of the world, example of a war, destruction of wealth, killing of millions of people. So these type of scenes are taken for the film. It creates problem for the spectators. They, sometimes they feel rather monotony. Sometimes they feel they are scared. But at the same time, it gives them enjoyment. It gives them joys. It gives them recreation. That's why it becomes a complete film. This is known as feature film. And another one, indigenous film, the films which are made within the country itself. This is known as indigenous film, a film which is produced by a man of the same country, and director also the same, from the same country, and all the artists are from the same country. This film is known as indigenous film. That means story writer, producer, director, music director, and players, artists, co-artists, technicians. They all are from the same country, within the same country. This is known as indigenous film. And next one, what is Bollywood, Tollywood, and Hollywood? Bollywood is actually an industry. Bollywood is actually an industry of our country. This is that very industry, allows different directors, producers to make film, and then it is sent to other parts, other countries of the world, and it also create one box office. Sometimes it gets hit. In that case, producers earn a lot of money. Directors are given a certain amount of money for directing the film. Music director also, the other co-artists, they all are paid. They are they are they are paid their minimum amount of money they demand. So this is about Hollywood. And Tollywood is a film, regional. Tollywood is a film industry of different regions of a country. There are different regions of a country, and each region has many many film industries. And Tollywood is like that. In our country, in our state, West Bengal, Tollywood is there because it represents all the artists, heroes, heroines, film directors, producers. They all belong to Bengal. That's why this industry is known as Tollywood industry. Each industry of different regional states also has uh, a name. So names are varied from state to state, region to region. And next one, Hollywood. Hollywood, this is a film industry of abroad, basically America and different places of America. These film are made in America and different places of America, different cities of America, and the producers spend a lot of money in making all these things original, just like the spectators are watching this film, not watching this film, but they are watching the original scene in front of them. This is about Hollywood. That's why Hollywood is an industry. Hollywood is the industry of the whole world. The entire system of making films are being taught by this film industry, Hollywood. Now I shall discuss about some, films of India, some films of abroad. Which one is the first film of the world? Which one is the first film of India? Which one is the indigenous film, first indigenous film of India? Like that, I am going to discuss about it. Now open at page number 54 and look at the book. Look at the points mentioned in your book. The first color film in the world is, there are three options. You have to choose only one option. That should be correct. So it is Can Can Dance. The first color film in the world is Can Can Dance. Okay, you have three options. Out of three, you have to choose only one option, the one correct option. That is, then you will be given marks. Now, first color film in the world is Can Can Dance. Now you have to learn Can Can Dance. The first indigenous Indian film is Raja Harishchandra. There are three options. You see, Raja Harishchandra, Mughal-e-Azam, Taj Mahal. Out of three options, which one is correct? Raja Harishchandra is correct. So you have to choose this option, Raja Harishchandra. And then serial 3, the first talkie film made by Ardeshir Irani is, there are three options, Alam Ara, Pakiza, Taj Mahal. The correct answer is Alam Ara. Alam Ara is the correct answer. The first talkie made by Ardeshir Irani is Alam Ara. The next, serial number 4, the first Hollywood film dubbed in Hindi was, three options are there, Speed, Godzilla and Jurassic Park. The correct option is Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park is the first Hollywood film dubbed in Hindi. That is Jurassic Park. The first female child star to act in an Indian film was, there are three options, Mandakini, Nutan, Pakiza, Nutan and Meena Kumari. Here the correct answer is Mandakini. Okay. The first film child star to act in an Indian film was Mandakini. The next one, serial number 6. The first Indian to win the Oscar for dress designing was Bhanu Athaiya, Nita Lulla and Rohit Bal. Out of three options, you have to choose any one of it. Then correct option is Bhanu Athaiya. The first Indian to win the Oscar for dress designing was Bhanu Athaiya. So you have to choose Bhanu Athaiya. And next one, the first Hollywood film to win 11 Oscar awards. The first Hollywood film to win 11 Oscar awards was dash. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer, options 3, Gone with the Wind, Ben Hur, My Fair Lady. You have to choose the middle one. Ben Hur. The first Hollywood film to win 11 Oscar awards was Ben Hur. The second was Titanic. Then serial number 8, the first child star to win an Oscar in a competition against adults was dash. She got the Best Supporting Actress award for her portrayal of Addie in Paper Moon. Who is he or she? Options are Judy Garland, Shirley Temple, Tatum O'Neal. The correct option is Tatum O'Neal. The first child star to win an Oscar in a competition against the adults was Tatum O'Neal. She got the Best Supporting Actress award for the portrayal of Addie in Paper Moon. And serial number 9. The first National Film Festival was held at, options are Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai. The correct option is Delhi. The first National Film Festival was held at Delhi. Then serial number 10, the Sohrab Modi film. The Sohrab Modi film, which won the first national award or the President's Gold Medal. That is Jhansi Ki Rani, Mirza Ghalib, Guide. The Sohrab Modi film, which won the first national award or the President's Gold Medal, is Mirza Ghalib, Guide and Jhansi Ki Rani. Which one is the correct option? The correct answer is Mirza Ghalib. The correct answer is Mirza Ghalib. So you have to choose the answer Mirza Ghalib. So this is about this lesson, first in films. Now next day I shall ask you questions in live class. My dear students, all of you learn the answers up to which I have taught. Please go through it, learn it properly, and whenever I shall ask you questions, please answer me. Answer perfect up to this time.